How large buildings like mall, hotels, big shopping mall, our office buildings maintain their temperature? How it is keeping us cool and comfortable in scorching summer heat? Have you ever heard the name chiller? If you heard name before, then yes, you are right, my friend. Chiller is the unit that helps to maintain the temperature of buildings. Today, we will know deeply about the chiller. It's a colossal task to keep these structures comfortable, especially during extreme weather conditions. The science behind the chiller, the big lad of the HVAC system, haha. So what exactly is a chiller? Picture a giant refrigerator. That's essentially what a chiller is. It's a machine that removes heat from a liquid, which can then be circulated through a heat exchanger to cool air or equipment. Chillers play a crucial role in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, commonly known as HVAC systems. They provide the necessary cooling effect that makes our large buildings habitable, especially in the scorching summer heat. Now, there are mainly two types of chillers: air-cooled chillers and water-cooled chillers. Air-cooled chillers, as the name suggests, use air to remove the heat. They are generally used in applications where the cooling required is less. On the other hand, water-cooled chillers utilize water to achieve the same result. Water chillers are more energy efficient than air-cooled chillers due to water's higher heat capacity. However, they require a separate cooling tower, which can increase the overall system's complexity and maintenance needs. Understanding how a chiller works might seem complicated, but it's really not. A chiller works on the principle of vapor compression cycle or vapor absorption cycle. Let's break it down. In a vapor compression cycle, the refrigerant circulates between an evaporator and a condenser. The process starts with the evaporator, which has a low-pressure, low-temperature refrigerant. Here, the heat from the process water or air is absorbed into the refrigerant, which causes the refrigerant to boil and evaporate. This refrigerant steam then goes into the compressor, where it gets compressed to a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. From there, it moves to the condenser, where it loses heat and becomes a high-pressure liquid. This liquid then passes through an expansion valve, where it expands and becomes a low-pressure, cold refrigerant gas. The cycle then repeats. In a vapor absorption chiller, the process is a bit different. Here, a heat source such as steam or hot water is used instead of a mechanical compressor to change the refrigerant into a vapor. Let's understand it clearly. A vapor absorption refrigeration system is an alternative to conventional vapor compression systems. It uses a liquid absorbent, like water, to absorb refrigerant vapor, creating a low-pressure vapor that can be condensed to produce cooling, making it suitable for specialized applications, such as in industrial processes or areas with waste heat sources. In summary, chillers are the backbone of HVAC systems in large buildings. Chillers are generally used where the requirements of the cooling is huge. It is used generally in industrial types building like production and manufacturing-based company. But nowadays, it is also used in commercial buildings like mall, our offices, hospitals, etc. Without chillers, we wouldn't be able to enjoy the comfort of a cool environment in our offices, malls, or even hospitals. So, the next time you're in a large building, take a moment and thanks for watching this video. See you in next video.